Hey guys, spend the night with me before I go camping. Ah! First, we gotta do some laundry. It's not a lot, just like 3 or 4 things. These are the only 2 things that I have to hang up. First, we're gonna do this sweater and this shirt. Next are these things. Put away that, these, and finally that. This has been bothering me, so I really have to zip this up. So much better. And also this bag needs to get off my back. And it goes where it belongs. Already are so much better. I gotta put this there. Pretty. I gotta go put these in my mom and dad's room. Spring. Right up there. I have to put this thing outside. It's huge, it's your bag. It goes right in here. But I am not sure which one. I think it goes here. So very pretty. Now we gotta feed my dogs. First is Mateo. That's how much he gets. Spring's turn. That's how much she gets. Okay, now is the big thing. I need to get all those books all the way down there. First, I gotta take everything off. I have to be so careful with this because it's a snow globe. Here are all the books and like other things I've collected throughout the years. Now I gotta put everything in here. First, we gotta take out all my stuffies. So it kind of fell and did the job for me, but gotta take the rest of that out. Now we gotta take all this out. Much better. First is binders. Next is like drawing supplies. I have to put the stuffies in there because I don't know how long this is gonna hold for. Next are ginormous books. Okay guys, we're getting somewhere. Now we're gonna do medium-sized books. Okay guys, now it's just small books. Okay guys, we're done. But I gotta put this guy back. And now there's just some little paper things. These are all garbage. And this is what's staying. Now we just gotta put that stuff back there. It looks so much better. I think this one definitely deserves a sweet treat. These are the things I'm having. I think what I'm gonna do now is put all those jerseys into that middle part. First jersey, second jersey, third jersey, and I don't know if I should include this one. This might get on the wrong side. Should I include it? That just ruined my entire closet. The 2 best jerseys, the okay jersey, the good jersey, and the jersey. I don't know where to put this hoodie. I think I'm gonna put it up there. There we go, now it's kind of up there. Hey, now I have a place for my stool. Never mind, it didn't fit. That actually looks so good. Wait, guys, I can finally like close my door basically all the way. This is the first because I've had these things in there for so freaking long. I think that's everything I need to do. Bye. Actually, I just gotta put those away. So I'm gonna do that. But love you guys. Bye.